Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do is to check if this is a proper fraction, which it is because the power of the bottom is greater than the power on top. So now I'm just going to take that 2 out from the numerator. Oh, we got to say this is proper. Now, can the denominator be factored? Because we're trying to get into partial fraction decomposition. So we need to factor the denominator if it can be, which it can, and this is going to equal 0 to 1 over 1 over 2x plus 1 times x plus 1 dx. And now we know, okay, so now partial fraction decomposition. We know this is true. 2x plus 1 x plus 1 is equal to a over 2x plus 1 plus b over x plus 1, because these are linear factors and not quadratic, and they are not reducible. Okay, now we go on to removing the denominator. So we got 1 is equal to, so we're just going to multiply this times that and times that. And that will get rid of the left side, and that will change up the right side, you'll see. So then we got a times x plus 1, because the 2x plus 1 cancels with this 2x plus 1 when we multiply this times that. And then we got plus b times 2x plus 1, same thing. X plus 1 cancels with this x plus 1, so all that's left is this when we multiply the whole thing times that. Now we got to find a and b, and we notice that if x is equal to, or here, we'll put it down here, if x equals to -1, that makes this thing to equal 0, which is how we're going to find b if we have that set to 0. So that's what we want. X equals -1. So we're going to 1 equals to 0, because -1 plus 1 is 0, plus b times -2, multiplying it by -1, x, when we replace it for x, plus 1, and that also is equal to 1 is equal to b, just b, because this -2, oh whoops, is negative b, therefore well implies that that is equal to b, and that is our b. Now for finding b, we can set, or finding a, we can set x to equal -1/2. X equals -1/2. Because if x is -1/2, 2x plus 1, or 2x plus 1, 2 times -1/2 plus 1, -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. And then we can use that to find, or then we can use that to find a. We got 1 equals a times -1/2 plus 1 plus 0. And this is equal to just 1/2 a. So it's a over 2. And this is equal to 2 equals a. So we found our a and our b. Now we can take, oh, here, let's write this up here. let I equal this. Now, substituting back in, we can say that I equals the integral 2, don't forget the 2, times the integral from 0 to 1 of, let's see, a over 2x plus 1 right here. We found a, and we're just going to substitute b in as well. So a is it's a over 2x plus 1, a is 2, 2 over 2x plus 1 plus b, which is negative 1. So we'll just go minus instead. Minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. This is equal to 2 times the integral 0 to 1 of, we'll take the 2 out of that, so we got 2 out here of 1 over 2x plus 1 dx minus the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 over x plus 1 dx. Alright, and now we can say u is equal to 2x plus 1 du equals just 2 dx and 1/2 du is equal to dx. So we got here, we got 2 over, and then if we plug in the 0 and 1 to x to find u, we have 2 integral from, okay, plug in 0 into here. It's going to be 0 plus 1, which is just 1. And then this is getting the balance in terms of u. And then plug in 1 to there, and that is 3. And that is going to be u to the negative 1 du. Oh, and du is, or 1/2 du is dx. And we're plugging in 1/2 du for dx, so this is going to be over 2, which will cancel out with the other 2. 0 to 1 of, we're just going to say u is x plus 1, so this is going to be u to the negative 1 dx, or du. And this is equal to 2, let's see, ln of, because these two cancel out, ln of u, absolute value of u, evaluated from 1 to 3, minus the ln of absolute value of u, evaluated from 0 to 1. Oh, my bad. That is not 0 and 1, that is plug in a 0 there, we get 1, plug in a 1, we get 2. 1 to 2. Now this is equal to 2 times ln of 3. ln of, we don't need the absolute values anymore because we're plugging in positive values. Minus ln of 1, which is 0, minus, let's see, don't forget the parentheses, 2, minus ln of 1, which is again 0. So this is equal to 2 ln of 3 minus, because the other ones are 0, minus ln of 2, which is equal to 2 ln of 3 over 2, which is equal to ln of, bring the square in, and we're going to go 9/4. And that is our answer.